Mannok Road Surfacing Division produce an extensive range of highly durable blacktop tar macadam products to suit many needs. Tarmacadam, or often known as bituminous macadam, is the ideal product for the surfacing of roads, runways, driveways for courts, car parks, lorry parks, and many more domestic or industrial surfaces. Mannok Road Surfacing products include hot-rolled asphalt, stone mastic asphalt, asphaltic concrete. These products can be collected directly from the manufacturing plant or delivered by our fully insulated lorries on schedule. Our specialist road surfacing team of highly skilled, fully trained installers can undertake all your road surfacing work contracts of any size. To discuss your road surfacing project, contact our technical team. From Northern Ireland, call 08000 322 122. From the Republic of Ireland, call 1-800-322-122.